Roasted potatoes. Today we will do roasted potatoes. Simple dish. Usually it must be 7-side. We will fry a steak strip loin. Potatoes are ready, so they're shiny. Hello, I'm Chef Vivien, French chef. It's traditional French recipe called potatoes Château, Pomme Château, potatoes Château, which is basically roasted potatoes, but not only roasted, because we will blanch them first and after roast them and after fry them and after roast them, so it's kind of free cooking to make it soft inside and crispy outside and very nice golden color. So for this we need potatoes. We need firm potatoes, so it can be Annabelle, it can be Charlotte, it can be Marilyn, it can be Amandine, it can be Rat du Touquet, it can be a firm potato, cherry, which is usually pink skin, it can be Roseval, also pink skin, so a firm potato. There is a special French technique which is called, which I will show you now, which is called tournée, how to make a nice view potato. We usually do it in restaurants to make a nice looking and to help to make all the potatoes the same size, nice, the same time of cooking and so on. But when you have this kind of potato, they are all good calibrated, so it's usually not necessary. But I will show you how to make it. You cut the bottom of the potato, you cut the top of the potato, and you have two bases. Then you start cutting this way, and you make the form of an egg or a rugby ball, or also some people say shape of olives. Usually it must be 7-side, and we call it potato tournée. Of course, all of these cuttings, you keep them, you will make a soup, you will make a puree, you will make a duchesse. So you take your potatoes, you put it in the pan, you put a little bit of water just to cover them, some salt, of course, and it's cold water. We heat up. We cover with the lid to go faster and save energy. Don't forget to save energy.
A few minutes later.
When it's boiling, we take out potatoes and cool them quickly and cool down. This is called blanchir in French, blanch in English. Voilà, we take off from the water. Don't keep it long in the cold water. It's just to cool down quickly, and this will fix the starch of the potato, and it's important thing. And now we heat up the fry pan with some sunflower oil. Only when oil starts smoking, so you put the potatoes. So now it's the time, and you need to listen this noise of frying process. Strong frying. You wait a little bit, 15-20 seconds, and you will start to move them. Never with a device, never, only with the hands. We move the fry pan to don't kill the form of the potatoes. And now, if they don't move, it's because it's not ready. They are not ready to move. If they move, it's because they are ready to move. So they are ready to move. You see, when it's ready, they start to be golden color. You remove a little bit like this. We salt them a little bit, and up. So we put in oven, preheat at 180 degrees Celsius. For around 20-25 minutes. It depends the type of potatoes. Meanwhile, our potatoes are cooking. we will fry a steak strip loin. So we fry the steak in a very hot pan. Potatoes are ready. Potatoes are quite ready. They are cooked. Now we need to give them little bit more shine. And for this, in France, we have butter. So we put the butter. This we called in French lustrer. As you saw, I put only salt before to cook, to put in oven. A little bit. I will add a little bit more. Little bit of pepper. I don't put in oven because in oven at 180 degrees Celsius 25 minutes pepper can burn and this can be a little bit bitter. There are people who like it and people who don't like it so much, this bitter taste. So it's better to put your pepper after the oven. So they're shiny. So now we will serve the potatoes with a steak and the French traditional Roquefort sauce. If you want this video, there is on this channel sauce Roquefort. So let's make the dressing. Nice steak. So the steak which I sliced. Medium. Write me in comments if you want to know how to fry a nice steak, to make a nice steak at home. So we take some potatoes, Château. This is Château potatoes. Usually we put 3 per person. And here we can put a sauce. No French dish without sauce. Remember this. So let's try these potatoes. Crispy outside, inside very soft, as you see. Very, very soft. Fantastic. Taste of the butter at the last moment. It's very important to add this little piece of butter just before serving. Very important. Don't forget to put like.